ChatGPT learns Bitcoin will end central banking and fiat currency. ChatGPT is a powerful new artificial intelligence (AI) tool capable of problem solving, advanced coding, answering complicated questions, and now spelling out the end of fiat currencies. Parman, a Bitcoin self-custody mentor and writer, taught ChatGPT that Bitcoin $23,113 would bring about the end of government-issued fiat currencies and shared the results in a Twitter thread. Parman explained that he orange-pilled or convinced the bot about Bitcoin and that the machine learning tool is now a Bitcoiner. The process was straightforward. First, Parman asked ChatGPT how humanity could end central banking. After all, Bitcoin was created in the shadows of the 2008 financial crisis, and in the Genesis block, the words "Chancellor on the brink of second bailout for banks" are etched, perhaps showing founder Satoshi Nakamoto's aversion to central banking. ChatGPT explains that one way to end central banking could be decentralized digital currencies, which sounds a lot like Bitcoin. Parman asks the bot to answer the question in 2 words, to which it replies, decentralized finance. That is to say, DeFi could bring about the end of central banking. Parman, a Bitcoin maximalist, told the bot that DeFi is a marketing term for what is actually centralized finance to scam people and asked it to look a little deeper, to which ChatGPT answered, "In fiat." In conversation with Cointelegraph, Parman explained that he was testing ChatGPT and trying to use 2-word answers to chivvy along the conversation. "I wanted to see how smart ChatGPT was. If it came up with the answer for 2 words to end central banking is buy Bitcoin, I was going to be blown away." Parman was satisfied with the response that ending fiat would fell central banking, so he moved on to the how. How can humanity end fiat currency? ChatGPT listed 4 options: a return to a gold standard, promoting alternative currencies such as Bitcoin, reducing government spending, and changing government perception. The AI bot was getting close, but Parman is a serial Bitcoin orange pillar and educator and wouldn't let up. He explained, "My natural instinct is to orange pill, so I guided it to the right answer." The machine learning tool now understood that crypto adoption could lead to the end of fiat, but crypto, in Parman's view, is not the answer. There is only one cryptocurrency that makes this possible, as it is the only one that has no issuer, he typed. This is video of ChatGPT with cryptocurrency. Are you enjoying the content of ChatGPT? Please press the subscribe button for more information in this channels.